Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how we can move tabs from one space on Workona to another one. So let us dive into this. So navigate to Workona in your browser and access the space you would like to move a tab from. Let me go with tab or space number 1. So what you want to do, guys, is click into the tabs tab here and click into the checkbox of the tab you would like to move. So let me go with this one. And then, guys, you can do this the following way. You may either simply use that handle here to the left and move it to the other space. There you go. As you can see, it has been moved. Or option number 2, you click into that checkbox and after that right click into the given tab, select move to or move tab and use that menu here, clicking the drop down menu and select one of your spaces. You may also create a new one. So let me move it back to that space here, confirm by clicking into this button, wait for a brief moment, and there you go. The tab has been added or moved to that space. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.